Hey, Bait Technology is here, and I'm going to begin to show you our new phone, which is currently on sale as of now. This is a Samsung phone, A847, codename Rugby 2, unlocked for AT&T, T-Mobile, and any other GSM provider. I'm going to show that this phone is unlocked using a T-Mobile SIM card. It is natively a AT&T phone, so AT&T SIM card will automatically work. So I'm going to place the SIM card in. The SIM card would not be able to work unless it was an unlocked phone. So I got the battery in and the cover. Now to turn the phone on. As you see the AT&T logo. Hopefully you can make that out. Now it's registering the SIM card. Just give it a few seconds. You should see, and there you have it, T-Mobile. Let me clear this message off the screen. There you have it, T-Mobile. Hopefully you can make that out. Has appeared to the bottom of the screen right here. And there you have it. Once again, this is a Samsung A847, unlocked for multiple carriers. We guarantee you cheapest prices in the world for best quality cell phone and awesome customer service. Come and shop at your #1 cell phone store, baittechnology.com.